Guys, so I'm doing a DVD unboxing of Caillou's Holidays. So yeah, we get a pair of scissors. There we go. I gotta get the sticker. And sorry guys, I'm just taking too long. Sorry guys. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm sorry guys that took too long. So here's the front picture of Caillou, Boris, Doris, and Rosie, the PBS Kids logo. Here's the spine and the back. Episodes are Caillou's Holidays. It's a party. Caillou's Holidays help children learn about. So come along with Caillou while we're growing up is the greatest adventure. Yeah, it's a 2004 DVD. It's by Cookie Jar and PBS. Special features are interactive games, character voice, parents, information, coloring pages, operational Spanish, auto. Yeah, so yeah. Anyways, so here's the disc, picture of Caillou, another Caillou, and Boris. And I'm the biggest fan of Caillou. I'm so glad I got this DVD from the mail. So also my Thomas DVD is coming in the mail tomorrow also, so I'll do an unboxing video of it tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.